Hello and welcome to Gaming Room. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the menu language on the game Scrabble Go. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Scrabble Go on your device and make sure that you have your account signed in. You will be seeing this type of interface. After you want to change the language, you can see the option of your profile icon on the top left hand side. Just go ahead and click on it. And after you have done that, you can see the gear or settings icon on the top right hand side. Go ahead and tap on it, and as soon as you tap on it, you can see the menu language at the very second. Go ahead and tap on change, which is right next to it, and as you can see, there are some languages like English, Spanish, French, Italian, Dutch, Portuguese and Turkish. You can select the language of your choice. Go ahead and tap on continue. As soon as you tap on continue, the game will restart on its own, and then you can see that the language has been changed. You can revert it back. It's quite easy. Just go ahead and tap on English, tap on continue, wait for a while, and the language will be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.